So now let's see how we can work around with outline pen inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with outline pen, first of all, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, drag in this particular shape right here. You can see that I have this outline right here, which is dark in color right here. I can go ahead and change around the size of this outline as well, for example. So now in order to edit it even further, you can utilize something called an outline pen. So to do that, you need to go around, click on the plus button right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around over here and select out the outline tools right here, just like this. And once you go around over here onto outline tools, then what you have access to is the outline pen. So once I go around and do that right here, you can see that this is what you have. You got the outline pen right here. And once you go around onto outline pen, this is the effect that you get. So you can go around, change around the color of the outline right here. You can change around the width of the outline as well, and change around the style as well, as you can see. Apart from that, you can go around, change around the dashes right here, just like this. You can go ahead and change around the line caps right here. You can go around and expand this, and then you can contract it and so forth, and change around the position into outer section right here, just like this, the middle section or the inner section as well, just like this, as you can see right here with the outline pen as well. And this is what you have, as you can see, like this is the starting right here and the ending as well. So that is what you have right here. And apart from that, you can also go around and choose around different arrowheads if it is a line right here. So you can go around and change around, let's say, for example, the angles right here and so forth, and change around all of the things right here, just like this. But let me just go around and press OK right here and bring in, let's say, for example, a straight line. So I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say, for example, a straight line right here, just like this. So this is what I have. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto outline pen right here. So let's just go around over here onto the outline pen and then go around over here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and change around the style of the pen as well. So let's just go around over here. You can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the style as well, and change around the width, just like this as well. The size right here. You can go ahead right here, just like this, and then you can simply go around over here and choose different styles as you want right here, just like this. So that is what you have. And then you can see that you can go around and stretch out the angles and so forth as well if you want to, and then change it around according to how you want. So that is what you have. So let's just go around onto, let's say, for example, a straight style right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. So now you can go around, utilize the behind fill. You can go around for arrows as well. You can go around over here, share out the attributes as well if you want to, and so forth right here. And you can also overprint out the outline while you're printing out as you want. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can work around with the outline pen right here. You can also work around with the outline color right here, just like this. You directly get the color right here with the color palettes as well. You can also go for palette tone right here, just like this, and you can also go around for different options right here, just like this, and press OK, and this is what you have. If I were to go around onto no outline, then you don't see any outlines right here. So you can go around over for hairline outline as well, and then go around for different sort of outlines right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around over here. Let me just go ahead and close this. I can go around onto the color section right here, and over here on the right hand side, you get the color just like this as well. So once you go around over here, you can go for the outline, click on outline, and you can even add in fill if you want. So if I were to go around onto shape right here, just like this, you can go around and then get the fill color option over here on the right hand side as well. And those are the options that you have access to with the outline pen inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.